episode of IMTS with the Locals. I'm Melissa Garrettson, and we're here at Voco, Chicago downtown with Aaron. Hi, Aaron, how are you?
Hi, Melissa, how are you?
I'm great. We're excited to be here today.
I'm excited to have you and to show you around.
Thank you. What a beautiful lobby you have here.
Well, thank you. So Melissa, I couldn't be prouder of this hotel. You know, we have a history of experience here in the landscape of Chicago. We opened up back in 1942 as the Holiday, actually as the Apparel Center.
Oh.
And then the Holiday Inn Mart Plaza. So we're conveniently located to, or connected with the Merchandise Mart. And it's where I kind of get all my good steps in. So total, we have about 521 rooms under this roof.
Nice size property.
Thank you. Half would be the Holiday Inn, which starts from the 16th floor to the 19th floor. And then from 19 to 23 would be our Voco rooms.
Okay. And what are some nice amenities or features about either one of your rooms that our business travelers would find the most appealing in your opinion?
Absolutely. So our rooms are a little larger than usual. So for our Voco rooms, the newest brand, which is a premium brand for IHG, the brand is sustainable. So we're running off of sustainability. So in the rooms you'll find very much so bird-themed rooms, which is some of the hallmarks of the Voco brand. We also have water bottles in the rooms that you can fill the water up, and then we do have water stations on each floor. And they vary from still water to fizzy water, whatever your choice is, and it's on the corner of each Voco room floor, which is amazing.
Yeah, that is amazing.
That's kind of nice.
We're trying to
do our part to help the environment here.
I like that a lot.
And then with our Holiday Inn rooms, we did do an upgrade there as well. Our Holiday Inn is premium with oversized rooms as well as wonderful views of Chicago, so we're very proud of that.
Those are a lot of great amenities. What a nice mix of both brands that you have under one roof, with a great outlet and places for people to come for breakfast, come after the show.
Absolutely.
This great space that's comfortable and bright, and I mean, last but not least, the views, like you've mentioned.
Yeah.
Great views from your rooms and from,
Absolutely.
Everywhere really. And I also want to make sure we mention that you are located on our shuttle route. So great location, but also very convenient for everyone to get back and forth from the show, right?
Absolutely. Very, very convenient. And we're happy to welcome all the IMTS attendees in this year, and we're at your service.
Thank you so much for being with us today and for this great tour and conversation. I really appreciate it.
And thank
I've
you.
learned a lot.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And welcome IMTS back to Chicago.
If you're interested in booking a room at Voco or the Holiday Inn here, please go to our website at imts.com and reserve yours now.